Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Mike's Mini Motors. So about a week and a half ago, I hit a pretty big milestone for me. I finally hit 500 subscribers, thanks to all of you guys. And because of that, I want to give back to you guys. Everyone that subscribed and watched my videos with comments and everything. And so I'm going to actually do 3 different prizes. There'll be a first, second, and third prize. And first place is going to be a $50 rolling wrench gift card, as well as a Mike's Mini Motors either t-shirt, or you guys can pick a hoodie. Second place will be a $25 rolling wrench gift card, and then the Mike's Mini Motors shirt or hoodie. And then third place will be the Mike's Mini Motors shirt or hoodie. But one other bonus is I've been in contact with Matt from Rolling Wrench, and he's going to hook it up and he's going to match whatever I'm buying in gift card. So that's going to make first place a $100 rolling wrench gift card, second place a $50 rolling wrench gift card, and then third place still doesn't get one. But rules are going to be easy to enter for this. It's going to be, all I'd like you to do is leave a comment to this video and just leave me some feedback on the channel. Let me know what you like that I'm doing, areas I could maybe improve, builds that you'd like to see, or some of the ones like the Power Wheels go-kart coming up, what you guys want to see. Just give me some feedback. And I'm going to roll with this for 1 week. Today is Saturday the 18th, I believe. Yep, September 18th. And so I'm going to get this video uploaded today. And 1 week from today, next Saturday, I will do the drawing. I don't know if I have enough subscribers to do it live. If I do, I'll try to do it live. If not, I will just do it not live and then upload it for you guys to see. So go ahead and leave those comments below. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. When we get to 1,000, it'll be even bigger. Thanks guys, see you next time.